Hi everyone, welcome to the House of Paper. Today we are going to make a ninja star. Are you ready? Fold the paper in half into a rectangle. Unfold and bring the right and the left edges to the middle crease. Bring the both edges to the middle crease once more. Fold the right and the left corners of the top to the middle crease. Unfold the top right part and fold inward along the creases you made. Fold the paper in half and put the top left corner between the layers of the right part. Fold up the paper in half. Fold the square part into a triangle. Put the triangle part between the layers of the other flap. Make 3 more identical ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Put 4 of them to cross each other. Pull 4 of them outward to complete the ninja star. Ta-da! Here we have ninja stars. Let's hit the target with ninja stars we made. Subscribe to have fun with us. See you next time. Bye!